Hello YouTubers! This is a project for the Master Sergeant. He has requested some nails. He's an old friend of mine, lives in Florida. Got my nail header, got some 1/4 inch round, got my anvil and my hammer. Let's get to it, see if I can do this. It's been a long time since I made a nail, and he has requested 4.5 inch long nails. So let's try to do it. I'll zoom you in down here on the anvil so you can see the action. Here we go. First thing we're going to do is get this so it doesn't fall on the floor. We're going to 1/4 turn each hit. I'm going slow because I'm just not in practice for this, and I'm trying to keep it nice and square. Used to be able to do the whole nail in one heat. Why does everything fall on the floor? Here we go. Everything's on the floor again. 1/4 turn. Back and forth. Get a taper on the end of this thing that goes up about 1.5 inches. I got a little mark there on the anvil. Will that go in there that far? Need a little bit more taper on it. Right now I'm just kind of trying to make sure everything's square and has a nice even taper to it. I knock all that scale off of there. Hopefully it'll, well, I don't go in there yet, so let's see. I'm going to cut it off about right there. Now I'm going to bend it like that so I can heat just that corner right there where I'm going to try to form my nail head. Getting that scale off of there so hopefully it'll fit in the nail header a little better. Stick it in there, break it off, put it over the pritcher hole. Form a little diamond head on it. And I've been sticking it in my water bucket. That's why there was a little water here on the anvil, because now it'll come out of there a lot easier without deforming the point. One 2, 3, 4 nails for the Master Sergeant. Hope they're suitable. I'm going to work on them a little bit more cold. Just get them straightened out a little bit. I have a hard time. Not a single one of them have the head all the way around. I don't know how you get it to work that way. They just don't do it for me. I don't know. Thanks for watching.